Hi, everyone. 10 o'clock, Governor Greg Abbott announcing some new and significant steps in the reopening of Texas. Good evening. I'm Doug Dunbar, live for week number 9 from home and also streaming live now on CBSN Dallas-Fort Worth.
From day one, our mission has been to use data and doctors to open Texas in a safe and responsible way that contains the spread of COVID-19. That
was Governor Abbott earlier today explaining his reasoning now and also in the past as he continues to announce new rounds of openings. Sporting events, bars, summer camps, and childcare all on this new list. But there are exceptions. New at 10 o'clock, Andrea Lucia shows us all what to expect at a daycare near you.
Hi, baby.
Destiny Garrett picks up her daughter at her daycare's door.
It's a little different, but I'd rather be safe than sorry.
Limiting access inside during business hours
Right here, we greet them at the door.
is one change the state is requiring of licensed child care centers.
We've had parents go, well, do the kids really understand how to stay apart? And I said, sure. So we teach them for safe distance in here. Always make sure your friend is 3 steps in front of you.
The owner of Sunrise Learning Center in McKinney, Ricky LaFawn, is also president of the Texas Licensed Child Care Association, representing centers statewide. He estimates more than half have closed in the past 2 months.
It scared me to death. I had a lot of sleepless nights. So I think a lot of us that have been in the child care industry have.
The state has only been allowing daycares to accept the children of those with jobs deemed essential. That changed today.
It was a joy to hear those words that he was opening up child care.
Is it going to get harder for you?
No, we're in a routine.
Things won't exactly be as they were. Already clean centers are intensifying their focus on sanitation, and there are new limits on how many children they can accept.
The state is restricting child care centers to no more than 10 children per caregiver and 20 per room, with smaller ratios for children under 3 years of age. Previously, a caregiver for kids between 6 and 13 years old could watch as many as 26 at a time.
Everybody's kind of worried about the ratios. And
Is the price of child care going to go up?
it will have to compensate. Yeah, it would have to.
With many providers nervous about the future, LaFawn is trying to focus on the positive.
Parents need to make sure their kids are taken well care of. They need to make sure they're safe.
He's happy he'll be able to welcome back children, and he knows parents will be too. In McKinney, Andrea Lucia, CBS 11 News.